Peace be upon you and God's mercy and blessings. O Allah, send your blessings and peace upon our Master Muhammad. Hello and welcome, dear followers. This is your brother, Yasin. Today, I bring you a method to download and install the application without any launcher and without annoying ads, in an easy way that works on all Android devices. And don't forget, dear friends, to support us by liking and leaving a nice comment to encourage us to continue, and also subscribing to the channel and activating the bell so you receive all new updates. The download code is 5019110. I hope you enjoy and benefit from it. This was your brother Yasin. Peace be upon you.